Okay. That's certainly interesting. We got an excellent connection now. All right. So looks like we are good now. Whatever that problem was seems to be fixed from what I just did. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into it because we are getting behind here. All right. Anyway, I don't know what's happening, but we should be good now. So in Q, running in, making to the 50-day, making lower highs. Tried to get up there this morning, getting rejected pretty strong. We are seeing a nice rebound in the crypto market. So crypto stocks have been popping. Mara up to $10. Coinbase up, Mara to $10. Coinbase up to $60. About an $8 move on that. So let me check real quick here what's happening over on cryptos, how they're all looking. Oh yeah, Ethereum's almost to 1,500. Bitcoin's at 22,000. Atom at 965. So we got a very nice looking rebound in the crypto markets happening. Meanwhile, the NQ is still on the verge of looking like it may crack and fall. But let's look for some trades here. I might as well put all of my crypto plays on the watch list because let's see, BTBT. Ooh, I like what I'm seeing there on that daily chart. Not a lot of volume. Okay, let's see what's happening on the top 10%. NASDAQ gainer. Let's see, RYAM. Don't care about that. LTCN. This is some type of grayscale something, it looks like. But this is some type of crypto play, so that's why I got a bounce. No volume on it. I want 300,000. Just swing through here real quick. FFHL. They got an agreement and plan of merger, so it could be good news possibly. Then there's Riot, another crypto play popping up there. Yeah, the whole market is crypto right now. The whole entire stock market. Tulips though, right? You know, tulips. ILAG, this looks like a new IPO. It's had a lot of volume. It's an interesting possible play. We'll put it up there. USEA, oh god, look at that crazy gap down. FNGU, man. LGHL. What is LGHL? Lion Group Holdings. Yeah, unless they're holding cryptos right now, I really don't care. RDBX. Not too much going on there at the moment, really, either. They trade above the 200 scan. Rhythm Pharmaceuticals. They got a recommendation. Nice recommends Rhythm something for obesity. That's not really that good a PR. Those are a little bit higher float. Don't like those. Then the mid floats, ADN. Yeah, I mean it's clearly a crypto day. I mean there's nothing else going on besides crypto stocks ripping out the roof. We are getting a little double top starting to form there on Riot. Let's see how BTCS is doing. No volume on it. Mara's probably going to be my main watch here. Mara double topping a little bit too. We might have to keep an eye on cryptocurrencies, at least Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin does happen to have a sharp pullback, Mara, Riot, or any of these other crypto plays could get yanked down. But if like Ethereum is very close to testing the 1500 again, and if it breaks 1500, it's gonna get spicy. And I'm especially waiting for that crack in the NASDAQ to see the cryptos really start going. So we got double top kind of on both of these at the moment. So what was that other thing? Let's check here. AUST, well, it's only a 10-cent move, but that gold stock popping up. VLCN. This is that EV play. It's actually got decent volume. I don't know about that. ILAG, Intelligent Living Application Group. So, Intelligent Living. What are they doing? Are they making smart chairs? What's up, Lori? Good morning. Thank you, Daniel B. Even if you are making fun of my haircut, it's probably a little crazy right now because I'm just too busy right now to care about my hair, I got trimmed, whatever. It'll do its thing. It'll be right back in a day, so I ain't worried about it. EVFM trying to break $1, but that's holding up a strong resistance. See that 50 and 200 day there. So we're just going to have to wait some things out here. Nothing at the moment standing up out to me. Woo, that NASDAQ is close to cracking. We dropped below 1288. We'll come down, and we got a ways to drop. See that sideways consolidation? We've been in there, and this is the third test. And failing so far. See, INDO should start getting some more attention here soon as oil is starting to rebound. Oil is close to being back over 100. That's very strong resistance, but with inflation rising, let's see here. We got some crazy PR on this real quick. Let's read. Europe fears widespread economic fallout if Russian gas outage drags on. Wait a minute. I thought they did not want oil from Russia anymore. And now they're like, but we need your natural gas. The Nord Stream pipeline, closed last year. Or closed Monday. Is that today they're saying that? Yeah, closed today, I guess. So the Nord Stream pipeline is going to be down for 10 days. Now there goes the natural gas. It's going to shoot up, probably. This is how stupid these politicians are. This is they sit there, the whole European Union, Ukraine, the U.S., we're going to stop taking gas, we're going to stop taking oil from Russia. We're going to put a ban on it. Russia shuts down that pipeline for maintenance. And they're freaking out. Dummies. Oil prices surge as euro makes comeback versus the dollar. Yeah, that's not good. We don't want if the euro's making it come back against the dollar. The euro's, if Probably worse than the dollar. That's really scary. Oh gosh. Ellen, right here. EU seeks to quell criticism of its Russian sanctions. Four pages up, or four press releases up. 30 minutes later, and scramble to give up Russian gas. European strikes energy deal elsewhere. Let's see, who did they get it from? If they're not getting it from Russia, two gas. Oh, they don't have any deals. Two gas deals are on the table. Are on the table. A memorandum of understanding. Southern Gas Corridor, Caspian Sea to Europe. Oh my gosh. Oh Lord have mercy. France is also set to agree on a deal for diesel from the United Arab Emirates. I don't even want to read none of this. This is just getting pathetic and sad at this point. What's up, GD? I am looking for a trade. I'm just waiting for something to show its face. I kind of like what I'm seeing here on VLCN a little bit. Starting to pop up somewhat. Let's see where we at on the day here. Give me this. Matter of fact. Let me fix that. Boom, bam. My time and sale is going too. I might need that. Just looking, there's a bit of an uptrend. My only concern is at $2 it could turn into a head and shoulders. So I don't know about that one. What I like doesn't look like it's doing anything. Let me look at it on 15 minutes. See why. Oh, that's why it doesn't look like it's doing anything. It's curling over. So that's going to need some more time for sure. Riot actually has a nice little possible U-shape on this 15-minute. This candle's fixing to close. No, I have not checked Discord yet this morning, Ruben. I know that we got stuff going on though. We'll definitely be catching up here in just a little while. So INDO did get a little push to 7. This is all this first hour and a half, basically. A little U-shape possibly there. This is going to test 7. Give me just a second, guys. I'll be right back. Alrighty. So, let's see if we got anything starting to form anything. VCLN still pushing up, not too bad. ILAG double top on this hour chart. I'd like to see it come down to 3. Well, actually about 310. 3 would be too low. No, 3 would be fine still. It could be a double bottom there, but I don't like it. I don't like it yet. Keep watching it because it's curling. I don't like that curl. Riot did pop that 650. Starting to look bullish here. Well, already looks bullish, but starting to look like it's about to go to again. Just broke pre-market high. Give me a pullback. Let's see what's crypto's looking like. Shrink this. Oh yeah, Ethereum's real close to trying to break 1500. Like stupid close. Bitcoin is running around 23, so there's consolidation right now on the cryptos. So that I'm hesitant to get in this off of this high up. This is a nice pattern so far, but I really need to see some type of pullback. I mean, they could just go. It would not be surprising because cryptos are just going. I mean, they're just going and going and going. Bouncing off of these overall trend lines, like I've been talking about. And then Ethereum not only bouncing, but ripping. Ripping a lot. $500 in just over the weekend. So that's why we're seeing all these crypto plays so hot and nothing else really going on in the market. But that's what I'm probably going to look to trade. It's either Riot or Mara. Unless something else catches my attention. Sigma. I don't need that on there anymore. It looks like garbage. TSRI. I don't know why that's on there. DRD's gold. Siga coming down. That's what I was expecting. I had to come back down to that trend line, so that's good to see. PLRX. That's held all its gains from its initial rip. Nexi's looking like trash. Veru is ripping Friday. Veru is pulled back. Oh, BTBT starting to get some action. I'm going to go. Hopping in 30 so far. I want to add some more. But I want to see it come back down for a little retest to 175. But this one hasn't really ripped yet. It's only up 12%. Riot up 20. Well, Riot, Mara, all of them are not up that high yet. But I've made money on BTBT before, so I know what this little bugger can do. Let's see. Hold on just a second, guys. I got a phone call. Okay. So we are starting to get getting a little rejection here. What is it that we're getting hung up at? About 180. There we go. And because of that rejection, it's making a bit of a triangle pattern. But again, these plays are only, they're going to depend on what Bitcoin is doing and Ethereum. Yeah, come on down so I can get some more of you. That's why I went only a small amount right there, because I didn't think it was going to pop. But not on that first, well, not on that test there. It may have to come back down, but we got pre-market support at 175. What you can see is also on this candle that resistance where this wick peaked up to. Alright, let's give BTBT a little bit more time to see if it's going to pull back. I do want to keep an eye on the NASDAQ, as we are very, very close to having a pullback, which shouldn't affect crypto stocks that much. EVFM slowly climbing. It's that contraceptive stock trying to bounce off of $1. Little double bottom there, bottom over here, and then this bottom here, it's starting to form, possibly. Let's add another 10 here. We're still hanging out right in this area on BTBT. Yeah, natural gas after that whole thing with Europe and then being desperate for natural gas now, you can see it's starting to spike back up here. Almost over 600 again. Which means oil up. Oil's already over 100. Look at this big old U shape on oil. Actually, it's inverse head and shoulders pattern. Head, shoulders, shoulder. Oil's looking like it, which makes perfect sense. You know, inflation went up, so there's no reason why oil should be going down. All right, especially when we still have all the nonsense going on. You are holding very nicely at this 180 area. Can't draw that. Let's draw this little trend line on this chart. I like that trend line. I'm actually off of that trend line quite a bit. Trend line's 170. So again, maybe if it can pull down there. But it might not. A lot of indecision here because of the NQ. Riot still pushing up, so good. If Riot Mara keep pushing up, BTBT should start following. Yeah, Mara just pushed over $10, new high a day. Now $10, you know, is a whole number, very strong resistance, so we're going to have to wait to see if that can actually break $10. But if it does, I should be good on BTBT. Might just take a little while. What is the chat working? Y'all are quiet over there in the chat right now. Y'all are freaking me out. Why y'all so quiet? Yeah, y'all are never this quiet. Got 12 people in here, 4 likes. Come on, hit those like buttons. If you're going to be quiet, at least hit the like button. Hey, there's Austin, Reliable Rudy. How's your channel coming? You got your first videos ready to go? Oof. Look at that. NQ starting to give it up. Getting real close to giving up here. Real close. Oops, come on, get back over here. Alright. So we got 15 minutes for this hour chart to close, 45 minutes for this one to close. And this one's what I'm looking at now, seeing it pull back. But it's just holding right across the top of that 180, right across the top of that candle, bottom of the body of this candle. Oh, nice. I hope you had a nice time with your mother. That is quite a long time since last Thanksgiving. Hopefully you got some good quality time with her. Yeah, a little rejected off the $10 on Mara. So that'll probably have to come back down. So I may be waiting a little while on BTBT. Although with oil pushing over 100, start seeing oil plays heat up as well. Let's look at this 15-minute real quick. Yeah, we need to get over 183. But there's the clear triangle pattern. That one got up to 183. But was rejected. Could not make a higher high, which is a little bit concerning, but this is only the 15. On this chart, this 15-minute candle, when it closes, will be the end of the close of the hour chart, the hour candle here. So if it holds 180 here and can push back up above, I mean, that's only 2 cents. Push back above, make a bullish engulfing this previous red candle. We can see this triangle start to break. If not, like I said, it's going to come back down right here at about 175. Oh yeah, I hear you, man. Well, everything that's about to happen with God's Unchained and all these play-to-earn blockchain games, oh my goodness, it's about to get so spicy. Crypto market's gonna be spicy. Especially if my prediction that in July we were gonna see cryptos detach from the same movements as the NASDAQ. We start seeing them finally, Bitcoin, Ethereum going up and the NASDAQ going down, then I think that's when we're really going to see the next crypto bull run, and it's going to be led by blockchain gaming. I've already started seeing commercials everywhere for Fractal on Solana, but Gods is not even promoting yet. That's the crazy thing about them. It's growing fast by word of mouth. Then when they start to do their actual promotion towards the end of the year here, towards when they release mobile, God's just going to be crazy. It's a bunch of different blockchain games coming out. PDE is play to earn is getting big, because why not? Everybody traditionally doesn't make money playing games now. With blockchain games, you can make money playing them. Not only just playing them, but buying the NFTs and staking them and all of that. But we'll save all that for the crypto channel. Unless people want to hear more about the blockchain PDE gaming, which is, in my prediction, is going to lead this next crypto bull run. Let's see. iLag getting you. Yeah, that's ugly. Nothing there. So Raya and Merritt both still at those areas, and that's all BTBT is basically waiting on. We just got indecision in this consolidation while we're waiting. Probably for Ethereum to break 1,500. That would be my guess, is what's keeping investors a little slow at the moment. It's crazy though, like BTCS not getting hardly any volume as a crypto stock, and their main holdings and main validating is Ethereum. Their biggest holdings is Ethereum. So Ethereum going up 500 this weekend, you would think investors would pay a little more attention to this, but they're still ignoring this play. Yeah, oil looking very close to popping. AUST, so must be rebounding on gold. It seems to be the NQ is looking very, oh gosh, look at this. This is a ugly head and shoulders on the NQ. I don't know if I pointed this out earlier. I don't think I saw it earlier. Big head, shoulder. The other shoulder can't even get back up to where the other shoulder was at. Ooh. So yeah, that's going to probably make assets move. Gold, silver. Obviously, crypto's already moving. Amazon's got to break 117, and then it might be able to get up to 125, but possible bullish engulfing there on Amazon. This candle eating the whole body of this previous red candle. What's everybody else watching? Anybody watching anything that's not a crypto stock? keep an eye on Mara for a second. Let's see if it's going to break. It looks like it's really wanting to try to test $10 here again. Mara going to try to break this? It looks like it wants to go. We pushed up, the body of this candle is pushed up all previous bodies of these two and the top of that candle. Unless it gives up here. Nope, buyer's still trying to come in. So 995 on the ask. Let's see if I can get taken out pretty quick. Very nice. Here comes a test of 10, retest. Struggling. PTT is still hanging out. Let's see. Ethereum gas fees are up high, so there's a lot of volume on Ethereum right now. I think it's going to break 1500, which I think we're going to see this break 10 very shortly here. Yep, there's 10 on the ask, right through 10 like butter, bid stacking. Oh, no, trying to. They're trying to stack. Buyers trying to take over 10. Now, these could be shorters because this is resistance. $10, hold number, strong, strong resistance. So that was another fail. Too early. Hey, Elvis. Welcome back, my friend. It's been a while since Elvis has been in the chat. I know I talked to you not too long ago on the Framework Fortune Crypto channel, but glad to see you back around. How you doing, my friend? He's back. He's back breaking those hands, smashing that like button. That's what I'm talking about, man. Love it. The king is back. And oh, look at there. And Stonks and Chomps is back from her flu week there. It's amazing, guys. I'm glad to see everybody coming back around. Love it. Beautiful. What you been up to, Elvis? How's that new wife treating you? The new wife, the new life. Hey, and there's Lando. What's up, Lando? Now we're getting... You're still sick? Oh, jeez. Well, you ain't got to moderate it if you're sick. Go get some rest. Now we're getting spicy in the chat. Y'all is freaking me out, man. It's the quietest that chat has ever been, I think. Let's see. BTBT starting to get a little movement again. There goes another test here of $10 on Mara. Coinbase over 61. Come on, you little bugger. Oh, okay. This candle's fixing to close. Let's see where this candle closes at. Little indecision candle there. Another indecision opening up right at the same spot. Maris still fell in the break, but a beautiful open on this candle coming right into 10 unless it starts turning red. NQ still going sideways as well. Yeah, Mara's starting to get rejected there, so it may starting to curl a little bit. Well, if it can hold up 990, let's just testing it now. It needs to hold 990 to try to retest 10 with the same momentum. If it can't hold 990, it's probably going to pull back to about 975, maybe even 950 down to this level. Probably more than likely 950. And that is where I have that line drawn right there. Alright. I bet them oil stocks are looking really good, my friend. Peanut butter bacon sandwiches and prescription medications. Nice. EVFM, unable to hold a dollar, got rejected there. VLCN, still meh. See Riot, same time, trying to test that 675 that Mara's trying to test 10, and BTBT is trying to basically get some action in here to test 2. I kind of like that buy up off of that. Bunch of orders just came through there. Get out of here. So I'm adding. All right, up to 100 shares. 180. $0.05. I think I could, yeah, I can risk about 5 cents. We weren't seeing none of this earlier. So volume looks like it's starting to come into BTBT now. Where's Mara at? Mara still testing 10. Come on, break that 10, Mara. Ethereum really closed at $14.82, $18 away from breaking 1,500. You haven't missed any debates. Elvis DB was put in his grave live on camera a couple of months ago, and then he's now just a zombie that keeps coming back with the same old tired arguments. Cryptos are tulips, and I don't know how to trade. That's his two. That's his two. His two arguments he has. Now, if you haven't yet, go check out the debate with Charles Allen, CEO of BTCS, about crypto regulations. That was a really good debate. Charles Allen, CEO of a multi-million-dollar node validator public company, a little bit more coherent than Daniel B. from Ukraine or Russia or wherever he's from, coming over here and living his little Chicago life, loving McChickens. Yeah, that crypto regulation was a good one. There's going to be a debate soon, more than likely, between me and Caleb CJD from PKT, as he is a Bitcoin maximalist and he does not like proof of stake. He only likes proof of work. And I disagree with him that proof of work is the only way. So we're going to have a proof of work versus proof of stake debate here when we both are a little less busy. Yeah, I'm trying. Yeah, Sam's always helping. He's always barking. Actually, Peter Schiff in his last debate, actually, the last debate with Richard Hex, which I don't like Richard Hex. I think his Hex whatever crypto is trash and his stupid outfits and stuff. I just don't like him. But Peter Schiff said that blockchain is the future in that debate. And then he had another debate recently where he said if somebody would back cryptos with gold and silver, which already exist if you've been following me, Kinesis Money, Pax Gold, he said that would be idea. So Peter Schiff is even coming around. And we are starting to pop here a little bit. Getting up to that 183. Got to break 183 if we're going to move on up on this. Mara must have popped 10. Let's see. Yep, Mara popped 10. Look at that. Pop up to 1007. As soon as Mara popped, BT popped. So that's what I'm saying. I'm just riding the smaller, cheaper stock in this crypto momentum today. But yeah, there's not going to be any debates, Elvis. There's no reason to debate DB anymore. Quoting Peter Schiff, and he's not even kept up with the last two debates where Peter Schiff is starting to come around the cryptos. Oh my goodness. Gotta keep up. You gotta keep up with everything going on. It's too fast. Technology moves fast. Way faster than it ever has. This is looking very good on this hour chart. We got 20 minutes for it to close. We do need to get this push over 183 though. See, there's sellers sitting there. Whole block of them. Yeah, and there's a rejection. Let's see, did Ethereum or Bitcoin just pull back? No, Ethereum's right at about to break. And Bitcoin's running. Bitcoin's about to break out again and push over 23.5. Look at here. Look at Bitcoin pushing right now as I'm talking about it. And Ethereum's $6 away from breaking 1,500. This is gonna depend on what happens here in the next probably 15 to 30 minutes on Ethereum, Bitcoin. What happens with these crypto stocks? If they really start ripping, if Ethereum starts really going, which 1,500 is a very, very strong previous support line, so very, very strong resistance line, we definitely could get spicy. However, if Ethereum and Bitcoin get rejected hard off of these areas, I'm probably going to have to hop out of BT really quick. I'm going to go ahead and just put in my stop loss just in case, because it is a close one. It is a close one. I got 100 shares at 180. That bottom right there is 175. So we'll just put the stop loss right under 172. Yeah, that looks good. Because that is that body. Bodies of those two candles there at double bottom. Matter of fact, I'm going to bring this down just a little bit more. Let's bring it. I'll risk $10 on this. Why not? That'll be my risk. $10. And I'm looking for a move at least up to 2, which would be $20 in profit. But if it can really start breaking, Mara's going. Mara is about to push over 1010. Yep, there it goes. Yeah, we're just gonna have to chill out here and let this, let everything make its mind up. Did cracked our little uptrend there. Let me put this back on the hour chart so I can look at both these hour charts here. I'll go ahead and remove that trend. So this candle has quite a while to close. This one's fixing to close. We do not want to see it below 175. Yeah, Ethereum and Bitcoin still getting rejected, so it's going to take some time. Definitely going to take some time. Now normally I would not like this pattern on this hour chart, where you've got this kind of it's that rejection and then a push back up, which is nice buying pressure. That's a good sign. but it just kind of stopped. You know, on this candle right now, we're going red. We do have 15 minutes on it. I'd like to see it push back up green. NQ. And NQ as well. A lot of indecision right at the moment. Where's the oil at? See, right, oh, right, just popped up to 669. These public Bitcoin miners give up on HODL strategy at any cost? No, I doubt that. Why would Bitcoin miners sell all their Bitcoin for cheap right now? Like, they've been hodling for 10 years. All of a sudden, the Bitcoin miners just going to be like, nah, we're done. We're just going to dump it. Why it's at lows and Bitcoin's starting to rebound? That doesn't make any sense. We're just done with that. Crazy talking news. It's always something. I wonder who wrote this damn article. Let's find out. BZ Newswire. Arcane Research. All right, there's Marathon. So they did sell, but public. Oh no, this is Bitcoin Holdings. This ain't even what they sold. Yeah, so Mara has 10,000 Bitcoin. Riot has 6,600 Bitcoin, and the rest of these I don't even care about. Bitcoin sold month. Now hold on a second. These two charts are two different charts. They've tried to piece this together. This is Bitcoin sold monthly. So that does not... Bitcoin sold in 2022. Whatever. Sell your Bitcoin. Nobody cares. See, there's something more to it, though, because they sold Bitcoin, okay, but what did they do with that money? Because if they sold Bitcoin and they went and bought a whole bunch of Ethereum, then their HODL strategy is not gone. Yeah, Celsius filing for Chapter 11 bankruptcy, which is the bankruptcy protection. But who cares about Celsius? Centralized anyway. If you notice, if you know anything about cryptos, none of the decentralized exchanges are filing for bankruptcy or any of that. They're doing just fine. It's only the centralized exchanges. How much lower can you come down, BTBT? Okay, stop watching then. I mean, it's as easy as that, Daniel B. If you don't like the channel, stop watching. I don't know. You're the one who keeps coming back every morning and saying the same thing over again. This channel's garbage, just blah, 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 blah. And yet here you are every single morning. Right, every single morning in this chat. Just, I mean, just every single morning. Panda, panda bear on a bamboo. That's you on my nutsack every morning. And here you are talking trash. You are a panda bear on my bamboo. Wish you would leave it alone. I was reaching on that metaphor. I reached and reached and reached, and it just didn't work out. So, we'll just none of that happened. You guys didn't hear none of that. My metaphors are always spot on. They're always witty, punny. That was just, yeah, that didn't happen. Alright, anyway. Let's see, what are we in here? We're an hour in. Ton of indecision just across all markets. Ooh, gold may dip below 1,700. Man, that's looking pretty bearish there. Now, I did notice silver is trying to push back up. Still not looking too good either. I think silver's got to come down to 15 before the next move. Alright, let's do another look through here and see if anything new is popping up. See what's happening on all these different stocks. Smith & Wesson. EVFM really gave it up. So that one's pretty much done. Gold starting to drop. AUST should start to drop, especially if it cracks 1,700. Nothing there. Okay, ILAG. Little double bottom here on this 1 hour chart. Got a double bottom there and a double top, so it's kind of sketchy. It's got to break 4 if it's going to keep pushing, and of course $5 will be resistance. But it does look like if it can break 5, it could get up to 6 possibly. Right, it's still sitting right where it was. LTCN not doing much either. USEA, I'm going to go ahead and take USEA off after that big gap down. That's why I never really wanted to trade it. It had so much potential, but so low float. It's crazy. CNIO not doing anything. Mara all the way up to 1025. So Mara's still ripping. Very nice. Coinbase up to 62.35. That one's still ripping. So BTBT is just slowly. Oh, is BTBT Bit Digital? Well, I guess it is Bit Digital. I didn't realize it was Bit Digital. Not that it makes a difference. This is just a day trade, so just simply looking for that push through. If everything else starting to push through. Boy, Mara's really trying to get up there. Trying to start build 1025 as support. Okay, Amazon did get that kind of bullish engulfing push up to almost 117, but still just slowly moving up. Not a whole lot happening. Powell getting a push up today. That's an ammo stock. Where did you go? Is running into some resistance as well. Clove, I think Lori Lee was talking about, which Clove got a little pop today, but I'm going to take that. It's a healthcare stock. I'm going to take that off my watch list. And then TBLT was the trade I took on Friday, where I took that $10 loss. Curl, a little curled there. I'm going to leave that on the watch list. We'll take Siga off for now. Talked to mother-in-law who's been a nurse for a long time, and she said the monkeypox was not that big a deal if I hadn't told you, so all the low float metal stocks up today in the green. All different metals still, everything. Fortuna silver mining. Strange, gold looks like it's, unless gold and silver is going to hold where they're at, and that's what buyers are thinking. They're starting to buy these gold and silver stocks because they're expecting a push back up. LTCN, still nothing there. Sky pushing, but only 500,000 in volume so far. ETCG, that's nothing either. Let's see. Mara's over 1030 now. Check this low float scan here. No, nothing on that. Check this scan. Verve, that's a nice pop. 25 up to 29. $4 move there. They just got a price target raised, though. A little too late on that one. Only 1 million in volume, though. I don't like that. 48 million shares, but ran $4 on 1 million in volume. GameStop looks like it may try to break 150, coming back up here. It is, well, I don't know. I don't think it's going to break. It looks more likely it's going to get a downtrend started right there and probably have another pullback. CLNN, that's trying to test 5, but no news or anything on that. A little higher float. Oh, there's Hussa. Hussa started popping up. It's an oil play, but now it's pulled back. So, yeah, there's nothing else going on that I'm seeing. ADN, nothing there. Mara's up to 1040. And Riot up to 675. Now, just out of curiosity, Daniel B., because you was in HH Traders chat this morning at about, what was it, 8:30, 8:45-ish, and I said Mara. I called Mara out. The first things I said in that chat was cryptos are rebounding today. Watch crypto plays. All right, nice. BTBT trying to get back up over 183 again. Okay. With Mara and Riot running, BTBT should start trying to go here. It should. I mean, it's had buying volume so far all day, just not a lot yet. All right, real quick, I'm gonna take a little break here, and we'll see what happens when I come back. But it looks like, with the way Mara and Riot's going, oh yeah, I said it on Friday too. Thank you, Lori Lee, to watch crypto stocks today. But my channel's useless, right, Daniel B? It's all useless. All the information that comes from me is useless. Are you trading any of these crypto stocks? Thank you, Lori. I appreciate that. You know, here's the thing. My analysis is based directly off the charts and the economic numbers and stuff. You know, it's never my opinion when I'm saying that stuff. I'll tell you if it's an opinion, but when I'm pointing, and I've been pointing at all these signs on all the charts for the past 2 years of all the stuff going to happen. And I've been, and people have argued with me about being, crazy and everything else. And it's all played out so far, and it's still continuing to play out. And I don't care. I don't care if people think I'm crazy, because here's, at the end of the day, if I'm right, I'm going to make a ton of money. I don't care about being right. I care about what goes in my pocket. All the who's right, who's wrong stuff, who cares? But what I'm saying is, if you have been listening to me and following me the past 2-3 years, you should not be surprised or in any weird position right now. Because all of this that has happened has that I predicted has come true. But again, not because I'm some special super person. It's because I simply do my research. That's it. You got to do your research. That's all there is to it. Do your research. Do your technical analysis on your charts. Keep an eye on economic news. Don't keep your eye on the mainstream media news because that's going to be all garbage and trash. But actual real economic news, what are the actual numbers coming out? All that stuff. Like Friday when I showed the gold reserves on the charts. It's America doesn't have a lot of gold. Those European countries, we're still getting held up at 183 on this nasty little bugger. Let's see where we at. Running in a 1050 on Mara. Yep, 1050. That's going to be strong resistance, but beautiful U shape if it can break 1050 here. Could easily try to get up to oh, I see what's wrong. Wrong day. Never mind. I was gonna say I don't remember seeing a U shape there. Yeah. So we're starting to double top a little bit, possibly here at 1050. No surprise. Strong resistance, and that previous uptrend. I believe this uptrend was drawn on the daily chart. Oh no, that's not even a. Never mind. Yeah, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Alright, BTC, this candle opening up again right on that 183, but this one did open higher. We're still not got a higher high. We need to see those higher highs. We need to see 183 break. This is getting ridiculous. BT. The other crypto players are running. What are you doing? Come on. Need me to sing to you? Okay, let's see if we can get it here. Test of 183. Still a whole lot of sell orders sitting there. See if they start coming through on this time and sells. Come on. You're so close. There's 183. Let's see if we can get some more. Need a lot more than just one order. Gotta take out all this. That one order ain't gonna do it. Come on. Oh, Ethereum just broke 1500. Ethereum over 1500 now. Woo, boy. Where's old Bitcoin at? Yeah, Bitcoin up testing at 22.8. So Bitcoin probably going to try to test 23 before it slows down. But Ethereum just going crazy right now. If it holds up 1500, that's going to get really exciting. Holds it up as support. Might start dancing. Come on, take those 183s out. Still, buyers are not comfortable coming in over 183 yet. Mara actually breaking 1050 on up to 1056. Very nice. So that's a whole, couple dollar rip so far. $2 or $3 rip. It opened around 875. Yeah, so it's about a $2 rip. So there it goes. Starting to try to test that 1055. BT, come on, you're so close. There was a 183. Still a bunch of 182s. A lot of selling came through there. That's a little bit bigger buyer. There's a couple of 183s. Now we're starting to see buyers possibly get comfortable here. Got to keep seeing them so we can see this get chopped down. At this point, I'm moving my stop loss up some. Alright. Looks like it's going to be a couple more minutes. So I'm going to take that quick break and I'll be right back, guys. Oops, I didn't realize I left the mic off. So we're just still sitting here at the same area. What's Mara and Riot doing? Oh, Mara's getting some rejection at 1050. Is ILAC still nothing yet. Possible double bottom, well, I don't know if I caught a double bottom yet. But if I can hold 375, that could get back up to that 4. What's the market watch look like today? Ew. Wow. Oh, okay, that makes sense. I know why this looks so bad. That's not because Google's down 95%. They did a stock split. Their price is 100 now, 111. I heard they were doing a stock split, but see, at this point, I'm actually going to move my stop loss up even more. And right there. Because we are not breaking out. That's the third test of this 183. Cryptos may slow down. Yeah, Ethereum's pulling back right now after hitting that 1530, but like I said, as long as it can hold 15 and we get another bounce, should be good to go. Bitcoin, where are you at? You're fine too. Same thing, both of them just pulling back right now. That Adam though, HH said he was going to get this at $5. He had his one chance back here at $5.50 and he missed it. I love it. I love it. Nice spike on IMX too. IMX, oh boy. Oh, I'm so happy that I am staking IMX. It finally starting to break out of that channel, that downward channel that it's been in since the coin came out. Or the token, I should say. Ooh, exciting. All right. There's nothing else going on. Testing 183 again. Got a lot of buys there at 182, but still no 183s. You're so close. You're so close. Is anybody watching any stocks that I'm not watching? I mean, I didn't see much else really going on. Oh, another rejection. We gotta see more. We gotta see more pecking at this 183. Yeah, oil very close. Where did you go? Where did it go up here? What's going on here? Oh gosh, I've messed up this whole thing. Sink or swim sometimes. Sometimes. I just want to throw you in the ocean. That's still not working. Let me check. What's happening here? There we go. Why is that not showing that top chart on oil? There it is. That's the NQ. There we go. And there's the downtrend on oil. Rebreak 100. Basically, the downtrend's at 102. But breaking that downtrend, oil stocks are going to heat up again. All right, we're right there again, BT. Let's go. Let's break this 183. Quit playing. Taking forever. There's no orders coming in at 183. We've really got to see some chipping away here. Mara is over 1050. Mara up to 1068, new high a day. God, I should have gotten Mara. I knew I should have got it. That's all right. BT, you don't let me down. There we go. Starting to get a few orders there at 183. Keep them coming. Mara's going crazy, right? It's going crazy. It's your turn. It's your turn to follow. Got Riot, new high 682. Coinbase almost to 63, testing 63 now. Ethereum's holding 1500. Okay. It should be running with Mare and Riot. If it doesn't start running soon, I'm going to get out of it because something else is going on. We should have seen a break by now as much as Mare and Riot's running. This company could be pulling some type of shenanigans or hedge funds or something, trying to hold it down. We've gotten 3 million in volume so far, so we've had decent volume. Yeah, Ethereum bounced off of 1500, coming back up over. It's up to 1512, trying to test that 1535. Check this daily chart. Yes, that 50-day as well is 183. Now on the daily chart though, the 200 is not all the way up till 450, so we do got quite a bit of room if it can get over 2. Got 10 minutes on this candle to close. Just on a 15-minute, all these tops where we tested 183, it's what? Seven tests of 183. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh my gosh, this is taking so long. Mara, new high 1071. That's probably going to go ahead and push to 11. 1074 getting taken out. Let's see real quick on that 1075. It's going to break that. It could get held up here at 1075, but the way it's pushing, I don't know. So it did get rejected once really quickly. Right back on it. Rejected again. Right back on it again. Starting to break. Oh, one more rejection. Back on it again. 1075. Slowly getting taken out. BTBT is over 183 now at 184. Let's see if the mayor's going to rip 10. Oh, yep, there we go. Right through 1075. So BTBT's starting to move. We're up to 185. I'm going to move my stoppy loss on up. Right under those candles. Oh, we got a bunch of sellers at 185 we got to get through as well. It's probably going to be like this all the way to $2. If we had that much resistance at 183, now we're having it again at 185. Actually, even more. Like, look at these big orders. Those two orders alone are 40,000 orders, 40,000 share orders. So it's 80,000 shares that buyers got to take out. And then you have these other 185s as well. So quite a bit of shares. But if it starts going, that may not matter. So Merritt's still fumbling around with 1075 at the moment. Beautiful, beautiful rip. At this point, you can just put it on a trend line. Come on, let's go. Break, break, break. Let's go. See, again, no 185s coming through again. Well, there was one there. We need a lot of 185s. Riot, new high 684. So that's getting close to approaching 7 for a possible test. Marriage has had another spike up to 1085, just going ballistic. Looks like that's going to go ahead and push to 11. Come on, get these sellers out of the way. Got some 184.5s. Still no 105s though, 185s. The hour candle on this chart is fixing to close. 5 minutes. Definitely want to see it close above 183, but preferably in this next 5 minutes, we want to see 185 break to continue this upward momentum. It's looking the exact same way as it did at 183. Taking a bunch of time. Oh, wait a minute. There come some decent sized buyers in there at 185. Let's see if we get some more here. First 185 is really popping up. Ugh. Still 184.5. There we go. There's a couple of 185s. Let's go. Let's start taking this out. Chomp, chomp, chomp away at it, buyers. Where are you at? You can see some of those orders did get shrunk a little bit. Mary got all the way up to 1090, pulling back to 1081 at the minute. At this minute. There we go. There they come. There's those 185s. Come on through here. Clear them out. Clear them out. Let's get frisky. Your brother, Mary and Riot, your brother and sister, Mary and Riot. They're getting frisky. There we go. Getting through that 185. Look at the buys starting to come in and the bid stacking. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Push on up to that $2. Got nothing to stop you right now. Beautiful up to 188. Like I said, we're probably going to have a lot of selling pressure all the way to 2. 2 is where we're really going to be able to let loose if it can get through it. We're slowing down at 188 at the moment. Oh, maybe not. That time and sell starting to move quite a bit faster. It's that volume coming in. Keeping that 188 on the ask. Let's see if we get some 188, some more 188. See if it starts cutting through. Mara right at 11. Mara very, very close to breaking 11. That candle closing, possible double top unless this starts going green and breaks 11. There's now up 35% on the day, catching up to ILAG, which I think is the top gainer. But ILAG still not doing anything. Yeah, so we're getting that same little slowdown that Mara just got from her first rejection off of 11. Looks like we're about to push through 188 here. Nope. A little rejection again. Make sure. Nope. Ethereum's still up. Bitcoin's still up, moving. So we got all the momentum. Just need to get through this resistance. My stop's now at 178, so I'm only risking $2 at the moment. I want to see this break through 190 so I can move my stop up over 180, and that way it'll be a green trade regardless. But I don't want to move it up too soon. Mara's down to 1075. We're definitely looking like a double top at the moment, but 1075 holds, which it is trying to. Then we could see it possibly try to push back up. BTBT, a little rejection there. It does look like we're going to double top and pull back on these. See, NQ still fell on the break. Vanguard, hold on a minute. Vanguard adds an impact fund that targets social and environmental change. Vanguard released the 6th Environmental, Social, and Governance Fund Monday, joining with UK investing firm Bally Gifford to launch an actively managed global equity fund that invests in companies the managers will believe will produce a positive social change. Oh my goodness. Vanguard is a huge fund, huge hedge fund, and they are trying to make equity funds off of something they believe will do something. Not something they know for sure. This is a global fund, a global stock fund that they're bringing out for this, off of beliefs of possibly managers or CEOs of the companies might do something good. That is insane. Vanguard has lost their minds completely. And that really goes along with the whole World Econ Forum Great Reset, where everybody will have a social score. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. We're back down to that 183. So as hard as it was to get through 183 as resistance, we need to hold it as support. We cannot crack through that previous resistance, because then it'll start being resistance again. It'll be stuck right at that 180 again. Possibly could pull back to the trend line. Yeah, Mara, Coin, all the crypto plays starting to pull back a little bit. So we'll see what happens. But it looks like I'm going to have to hold this for a little while unless I get stopped out if it pulls back below 180. Which is looking like a possibility. So with that in mind, we're having a pullback now. It is getting close to lunchtime. Things are slowing down a bit. And I think I'm going to call it a day, and I'm just going to let this stop loss ride, risk this $2. See if, because we do have this nice uptrend. So my stop loss is under the uptrend as well. But yeah, I'm going to call it a day. If you haven't yet, go join the Framework Fortune Discord. Trader and I both will let you guys know and update you on our positions for the day in there, and talk about other positions and call outs that we may be seeing. So let me grab that for you real quick, unless Lauren beats me to it. I'm going to beat her to it, though. You just watch. You just watch, Stonks. I'm going to beat you to it. I'm going to beat you right to it. Aha! There you go. There's the Discord for those of you who have not joined yet. Thank you, Lori. We'll see what happens with it. You know, as long as cryptos keep moving up, I'm not concerned about it. And if I do get stopped out, it's such a small loss. It's not that big a deal. But yeah, they're kind of slowing down a little bit. Yeah, because Ethereum gas prices. See this little bugger right here. This is Ethereum gas price tab that I have up at all times. And while we were running on Mara and Riot and starting to run on BTBT, the gas fees was up at 146. That means there's a ton of transactions happening at that time. And now it's dropped down to 38. So that's about normal for this time for Ethereum. And that's why I'm saying this is probably going to, all the crypto players are going to slow down now since they couldn't continue to break. Yeah, Mara down to 1059. But if you got Mara today or Riot, any of these blockchain plays, you know, very nice job. As that was pretty much the runners today. Not really much else going on other than crypto stocks. See, this is something I said I think a couple of weeks ago. Eventually, and no matter how much you hate cryptos, you're going to be talking about cryptos in the stock market. There's going to be more companies that go public in the stock market that have all types of different blockchain solutions and all of that. So, you know, if you are sick of hearing about cryptos just in general because of all the commercials and everything, I got news for you. You're probably not going to ever get over that. So probably just give up. 'Cause Everything is going to blockchain, as I've been saying. All right, guys. Y'all have a great rest of your day. I appreciate everybody joining me. We got, Elvis was back in here today. That was nice. Everybody, we got a few like button smashes. A couple of y'all didn't smash the like button. If you wouldn't mind to smash it on the way out. And then we've got a whole bunch coming out this week in progress from the DLA DAO project, that one of our own blockchain projects. So get ready for that, because if you are in the Discord and you want to be a part of the DLA DAO, you'll get the chance to receive an airdrop of DLA token, which you will then be able to go and stake for 12.5% APR for the first 3 years, plus parts of the revenues from the DAO will also go to stakeholders. So if you want to be a part of that, that DAO is all about the blockchain gaming and the digital NFT lands that generate revenues constantly. That's what we're looking to build. And then here soon, the Framework Fortune project will be following right behind that one. So definitely a cool project that we've been working on quite a bit, which is actually what I'm going to get back to right after this stream. So you guys have a great rest of your day. Stay safe out there. Until next time.